Nova is a CNC machining center designed by AES Group specially for nesting applications. It can be used to make processing of wood, plastic, aluminum, and alucobond materials with its high-quality equipment and competitive price. HPL working table and high-quality rack and pinions allow high-level usage. All axis driven by servo motors ensures control with excellent acceleration during processing. It presents creative solutions with easy usage interface and flexible CAD/CAM applications and finishes nesting and 3D routing applications fast and easy way. High-technology spindle motor ensures excellent results on sizing, surface processing, and 3D routing applications. 8 or 12 tool capacity automatic tool changer unit holds all tools including the heavy ones like aggregate. Automatic tool offset provides faultless measurement of tools. Nova ensures excellent results on nesting applications thanks to its special design and advanced equipment which allows to make fast and precise processing. Competitive price presents suitable solutions for any kind of business.